If you're having irregular menstrual cycles and you're trying to conceive, the Inito wireless reader is something I highly recommend. It gives you the most comprehensive picture of your hormones from the comfort of your own home. And I want to highlight this Inito wireless reader is a standalone device, which means you can plug in your strip to it and walk away, and you'll get a notification on your phone when the test strip is ready to be read. It puts all the information into a beautiful chart and lets you know when you have high fertility and peak fertility, and also when your ovulation has been confirmed. The spectral mapping technology is lab-graded precision when it comes to testing your hormones at home. This technology also double checks to make sure that your hormone data is accurate. And just remember, insights are based on your hormones and not the population averages. It's also put in a very simple chart that you're able to share with your provider. Inito uses your first urine pass of the morning to test the 4 most important hormones for fertility. Tracking multiple hormones at once matters because each one has a different role in your fertility. Estrogen slowly climbs, which leads you to your fertile window. Then you have FSH, which is that follicle stimulating hormone that's going to mature the follicle. You have LH as well, which is your luteinizing hormone. That's going to let us know that the egg has been released. And then you're also testing PG, which is a urine metabolite of progesterone that confirms if you've ovulated. If you're just using LH strips at home, you're missing the rest of the picture. That only gives you a little snapshot of what's going on with your body. For setting up your Inito wireless reader, first you're going to download the Inito Fertility and Ovulation app from the App Store. Second, create an account with your email address and verify it before moving on. Third, you will select Add the Reader in the app and tap I have the monitor during the onboarding. Go to your profile, add Inito devices. If you already have a reader, go to Profile, Devices, and replace Monitor. Step 4 is scanning the QR code found inside the box. If you don't have the box with you, enter the manual code. Step 5, power the reader. Press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds until the reader turns on. The Bluetooth light will start blinking. This means it's ready to pair. Tap to pair the device and follow the prompts. Step 7, connect to Wi-Fi. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Step 8, complete the onboarding questionnaire. Now let me walk you through what a typical morning can look like when you have the Inito wireless reader. Step 1, open up the app and tap Test. Always start from the app. It activates the timer and walks you through each step. Step 2, collect your urine sample. Use the collection cup included in the kit and fill it up to the marked line. Step 3, dip the strip. Dip the sampling end of the strip into the urine for exactly 15 seconds. Use the in-app timer to keep it precise. Step 4, cap the sampling end. Once the 15 seconds are up, remove the strip and place the cap over the wet sampling end. Hold the strip with the sampling end pointing downward. Step 5, check the reader is ready. Wake the reader by pressing the power button. Wait until the Wi-Fi light is white and steady. This means it's connected and ready to go. Step 6, insert the strip into the reader. Insert the reading end, the end with the colored QR side, into the reader with the colored QR side facing up. The logo light will blink white to confirm the strip has detected correctly. Step 7, wait for results. Don't remove the strip or move the reader while the test is running. Results will appear in the app in about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll get a notification when they're ready. Another cool feature within the Inito app is that you're able to track any symptoms you're feeling along with your cycle. So you can track stuff like abdominal pain, back pain, cramping. You can also track your mood. So if you're feeling really happy, really angry, all those things, along with your basal body temperature and any medications you're taking during that time that could affect your fertility. What I love about the Inito wireless reader is that there are no manual uploads of your hormones. It's also super small and portable. You can leave it on your bathroom counter and it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. I also love the clean charts that it provides because I'm able to share that with my medical provider. Now, there is a learning curve to using the Inito wireless reader. The first 2 to 3 days, you kind of forget to do that first urine pass in the morning, but that is critical part of this device because that is going to be the most accurate reading of your hormones. But after you get over that learning curve, it'll be a key part of your morning. The Inito Insight wireless reader is most important for those those who are looking to get a complete picture of their cycle, especially those who have PCOS and irregular menstrual cycles. If you were to ask me if I think the Insight wireless reader is worth it, I would tell you absolutely yes. What I love about this device is that it gives you the picture of your hormones in real time so that you know when the best chance of conception is. This device is available on the Inito website, and I will also put a link down below in the description with the discount code. Thank you so much for watching my video about the Inito wireless reader. If you have any comments, please drop them down below. I will be happy to answer those, and don't forget to subscribe. And again, this is not medical advice. Please talk to your provider.